What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video. An update on the EDU token and OPENCAMPUS. Wanted to make it, I'll just keep updating EDU daily, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But at least for now, I mean, it's still a very recently launched coin, of course. Still a lot of volume as well. I think right now the volume is, it has dropped down a little bit because it's the weekend. I mean, even new cryptos suffer because of that, but it's still very high compared to the market cap. And I do expect that to go up again in the next 24 hours. So, yeah, before we dive into EDU, and we'll mostly focus on the technicals. I made a video on the fundamentals specifically for OPENCAMPUS as well. Just type in OPENCAMPUS and then Cilinix Crypto and you'll find it on YouTube. But for now, we'll focus on the technicals. And I do have some interesting things to say about that as well. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join my trading signal group. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. And while I was saying that, I actually wanted to look at a different chart. Wanted to look at the chart of Hook, as you can see. Hook was another Binance Launchpad project, and I think it was a little bit more representative for to compare it with EDU than Space ID was, because Space ID was launched in a period of time when we were very, very bullish. But this is kind of the move we had with Hook the initial few days after the launch. So what you saw is that initially we actually rallied, kind of the same as EDU. We rallied up to a top of 1.4 and then we kind of consolidated. So that has always been the case with Binance Launchpad project, right? So an initial bullish move and then followed by a consolidation, and then usually after that consolidation another bigger bullish move. So right now the main question, at least in my eyes, is are we already in that kind of consolidation period? Because what you see right now is that the ADX, for example, this indicator down here, which is probably very small for you, but that is below 20. And 20 is kind of the threshold of being trending or not. So that indicates that we are not trending. And then also, I mean, I know this is the 15-minute time frame, but still, also the EMAs are just kind of falling flat already. And it looks like we're getting into some sort of a range. I mean, yesterday we gave up this bullish momentum. We were in an uptrend, but we gave it up after we were unable to break above 1.58 again. We talked about it yesterday as well. Dropped down to this level around 1.3, 1.35, and that is where we are right now. And I actually do think that we will retest off of this resistance kind of zone, but at around 1.4. I think we'll retest at 1.33, 1.3 level. And I would normally say that there was a chance that we would break down below that, but I actually do expect some bullish momentum today from the entire market. So I'm not going to say that, but still I do, excuse me, I just wanted to take a look at or show Bitcoin as well that I expected bullish momentum. But yeah, overall, it's just I think we're just stuck in this range, and I think we're going to drop down first, but from there, I do think we will initially at least hold 1.3 and get back up to 1.5. And that $1.5 level is the magical level. It's a big psychological resistance level. It's a proven resistance level right now on the chart. So if we can break above that, we will be bullish again. I'm not sure if I expect that for today, to be honest, but there is that chance. But as I said, I do think on the short term we will experience some more bearish momentum. And if, for example, we do not get any strong support off of 1.3, what will happen is that we'll drop down to 1.25. Because that is also what we've seen with some of these Binance Launchpad projects, that they actually need to trend down a little bit first before consolidating. So yeah, quick recap, because it's a little bit of a chaotic analysis. I think we'll drop down. If we can get some strong support off of 1.3, so break above 1.35, then I think we'll trend up towards 1.5 again. And then from there, we'll see what we'll do. I'll be back with another update, I'll be monitoring it closely. If we do not get that strong support, we'll drop down below 1.3 and drop down to 1.25. So that's my take on the short term. As I said, I'll be back with another daily analysis and update tomorrow. For now, this is my take on EDU. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.